Hello everyone, my name is Ruan and welcome back to, well, learning computer science in 2 years. So this episode is obviously a bit funny. If you watched last week's episode, you would know that I didn't actually do any studying this week. And yeah, I'm not going to go into the reasons why I gave them in the previous video already, but just to give you some update, I actually spent like 2 hours doing a bit of the missing semester of CS, but yeah, I'm not going to really talk about that. What I do want to talk about is just giving you an update on what my plans are going forward. So first of all, I will be continuing my studies. I'll count this week as week 17. The chronological weeks will take precedence to, I'm not going to just count the weeks I work. I'm just going to keep them chronological so that it makes more sense. So if I have a off week like this week, you guys will know about it and there will be recorded history of it happening. I did end up working the whole weekend on the project I said I had to do for work, so I didn't really rest. And that means I didn't finish the project, so this coming week is also going to be a bit rough in some ways. Perhaps if I can get some critical things sorted out, I will be a bit more freed up, but we'll see how it goes. I'm definitely going to retake the studies. I didn't necessarily like missing a whole week, so I don't want to keep doing that. So I'll give it a shot for this week, see how far I get. I did change around my schedule a little bit so that I'm guaranteed to get like 2 hours of work done at least every weekday, and I'll see how that works out and how the rest of it fits in. If you are interested in knowing how all of this comes together, please look out for next week's video. I'll give you an update then. Anyway guys, that's basically all I wanted to say. Just a quick short update. Obviously no progress made on the studies. I'm still motivated. I'm going to still go ahead and, study, but I just needed a bit of a gap week, and it turns out I didn't rest at all. Hopefully next week's going to be better. Hopefully I make some breakthroughs in my project at work and I can really pick up my studies again. And then hopefully someday I get some chance to rest proper. Maybe I'll have to take off a couple of weekends to do that properly. While keeping the intensity high during the week. We'll see how I figure this out. Life is all about balancing, and it is really important that you keep the balance. Otherwise, you'll just burn out and not actually succeed in your goals. And that's something I'm really cautious about, because I don't want to completely fall flat with this whole studying CS. I'm committed, and I know that some of you guys are just as committed to seeing me succeed, and I'm super grateful for that. Thank you for all the wonderful comments that you leave. I really do appreciate all the encouragement that I get from YouTube. So anyway guys, have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.